Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In today's video, we will learn on how to get Dropbox on your desktop. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. Now, let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Dropbox. Then hit enter. Then here in the search result, we have this official website of Dropbox. That is dropbox.com. Simply tap on Desktop app here. Now to download Dropbox on your desktop, simply tap on this install button. Then an exe file will be downloaded on your PC. Simply open that exe file to install Dropbox on your PC. Tap on this run button. And when the installation is completed, this window will show up asking you to sign in to your Dropbox account. So tap on sign in with Dropbox to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by tapping on this text, create an account. And guys, here it is. We have successfully downloaded and installed Dropbox on our PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.